Movie night back with another Classic. I'm your host, Easy. Welcome to Car Language. And before me, we got a 2009 Lexus LX570. Hear me out. Before we get into this video, in case y'all don't know, follow me on Instagram. I believe it's car_language_easy. So I can see some pictures, some videos. I'm wilding out. I'm out here in the Dominican Republic, best Caribbean island on the planet. Hands down, probably the universe even. Yes, this is a 2009 with a 2021 body kit. Are those 2021s though? Don't they kind of L? I'm not too sure what year that is, but they still did their thing. You don't see no rough edges, rough patches anywhere of them trying to install the kit the right way. You know, some love taps. As you can see here, they did their thing. On the other side, I think it was tapped a little. I'll show you guys. But other than that, look, even the mud guards look good. The wheels look good. You know what I mean? The side steps, everything. You know what I mean? Everything works. Look at the bumpers. Look at the lights. The lights work. The LED running lights work. The front camera works. They hooked it up. They definitely did their thing. And the interior, that's where you guys are going to be surprised when you see a 2009 interior. 2009. Look at the doors. A lot of panels. We got some pockets. Super clean. He keeps it clean. Shout out to my dog Waking. That's my step pops right there. I could claim that, not because he got this, just because he a down-to-earth dude. Definitely treats my mom the way he needs to. Yo, shout out to him, man. I love you, Waking. I mean, definitely keep it clean. Looking out here, making sure we good. We in the DR, by the way, having a great time. We got some cup holders. I love the way this look when everything is, you know, little rough edges here and there. We got the heated and cool seats. You got your emergency brake. You know, I love this. The gear shifter is wrapped in leather. This is for, I guess, you don't want anything small rolling around. We got your, this is, they don't even, you know, certain things don't work as much. It was working earlier. There it is. You got an ashtray, cigarette lighter. The only thing that I don't like about the 2009 Lexus is the infotainment system, of course. But, you know, you can adjust your armrests. You can open them. Decent storage in here. This one doesn't have the fridge. So I'm going to assume it's not the fully loaded one, but it does have a sunroof. As y'all can see, for 2009, 105,000 miles, it looks in great shape. Great shape. Come on, stop playing. You can actually move the seat forward, back. You could tilt it. This is the back door panel. Little ashtray. Some deep pockets. Climate control. Some pockets on the back. It's simple in here, but straight to the point. You know, you could pull the whole seat down. I love the clamshell trunk. It works. I just don't know how to work it. Love the clamshell. That to me right there steals the show for these SUVs. I love that. This or the caddy, I have no idea. The control switches for your rear seats, I'm gonna leave them alone. But a lot of room. I thought that was kind of whack. The fact that, you know, they don't hide away because it robs some room, but you got enough room. Truck is dope. Truck is definitely dope. I have access to this, of course, and I'm driving a 4Runner, so we be switching them up. White on white. Looking wild out here. I'm sorry. I'm going to do a little walk around because I definitely want this as a memory. Pardon the noise in the background. There's a lot going on. I actually chose the block right here because this is where I'm staying. Crib is fire. Shout out to my aunt, Andrea. I'll say it in English and Spanish, for those who don't know. This is what I was talking about right here on the side. I think somebody tapped it. Y'all can see it's a little loose. That's not from them doing the work, but it's definitely in great shape. Brand new tires. The wheels, y'all see, no curb rashes. This is fire. I definitely recommend this too. Super fire. The way it drives, lower suspension. We're gonna get into that. Let's get into that now. Oh man, I'm in love. And fuel consumption is not that bad. I'm sure it's like 13, 15, something like that, 13, 19. It's not that bad. I think he's fueled maybe 3 times. But you got to consider within a 10-day span, it's pretty good. Actually, a little more than that. 3 times, a little like 12-day span, because we got 2 more days out here. And we've been going through hills. You know, we've taken it to get it washed, etc. So we definitely been moving a lot. But let's take a look inside. That's crazy. They even equipped it with push button start. If I rushed this video, my bad. It was because it's so hot outside that the phone overheated. So I had to wait a little bit. So we got buttons for your temperature. This, you could put the temperature higher, lower, but to access the fan, that was, I thought, a bit on the corny side. You go to climate and you push the button, and sometimes it could be a bit laggy. To activate your 4x4, you push the button and then push it down to L4, H4. I'm gonna assume that's for all-wheel drive. This is for, let's say, either rear or front wheel. I'm not too sure. Comment down below, let me know. Your speed, not too sure what this is. I'm gonna assume this is the distance in between cars. This does lower your suspension. Look at it, y'all see it dropping, and now we're gonna raise it. Let's raise it. No, it won't. It'll raise after you start driving. Comfort, sport, Bluetooth. There's no Bluetooth in here, so we had to grab an adapter. Glove box, fairly large. Got a TV up here. It's a 2009, so you expect some wear and tear. Y'all can see it on the steering wheel. Buttons, windshield wiper for the rear. Let me not even. Oh, it almost did. I'm not gonna squirt it because it's clean. Your dash, everything is pretty much clear. It shows how many miles you got left. Where's your, come on, focus. What gear you're in, the mileage, temperature, volts, fuel, etc. 160. I don't know. I don't think it's 160 fast. That ain't the top speed, but it moves. You definitely feel the difference from a V8 to a V6. Seat controls, automatic, and that's about it. Not because it's Wiggins' truck, my mother's husband, but it's smooth. It's smooth as hell. Definitely recommend this. If y'all in the market for SUV and y'all considering getting this, get this. I definitely recommend this. It's smooth as hell. These big speed bumps, you hardly feel them out here. They got them everywhere out here in the DR. You know, because there's a lot of people walking. It's kind of like the city. That's the crazy part. DR reminds me a lot like New York, with traffic and the people. There's a lot of that going on. A lot of mopeds, a lot of motorcycles, so you gotta definitely be careful out here driving. But the SUV feels real good. I definitely recommend this. 100,000 miles. You know, these engines are known to last forever, outlast the owner. And it's looking like that's what it's gonna be with this. 100,000 miles, that's life for Lexus. Lexus, I'm sure they'd have won awards for most reliable. You know what I mean? Now, how would this stack up against a Caddy? I'm gonna say, I hate to say it, but I like my American cars. I'm not gonna say I prefer a Caddy before this, only because of reliability and maintenance, etc., stuff like that. And who knows, this is probably more expensive to maintain, but reliability takes the win. As far as the smooth, the comfort, pretty much the same. The seats feel bolstered. Fuel is about the same, if not probably worse on the Caddy. I don't know. I think that's debatable. They're probably the same. But she feels good. Y'all see that? Oh man, she feels so good. It's vague, but it's not vague to where, you know, you got some play in the steering wheel. You just, you know, you got handle. I can only imagine what a LS drive like. Drives just like this, a smaller LX. But definitely recommend this. Car language. Stay tuned. We out here for another 2 days, and we're gonna be making a lot of content. We're gonna be putting up the cribs where I stayed, all of that. We trying to capture every moment, because it's gonna be maybe a little while. I'm actually out here fixing my teeth. I had a broken tooth, and I needed three crowns. I got one. Some of the best dentists are out here, so I might want to, you know, think about that. Health is wealth. Yeah, look like he going through insurance. But visibility is great too. Visibility. Visibility, my bad. I hope y'all see that. Visibility is great. It's a mess out here. I'm telling you, it's like snakes. I mean, snakes in a snake pit. Literally, that's how everybody's moving. It's just the snakes ain't touching. But it's driving out here. I forgot how crazy it was. Driving out here is super crazy. Look at that. Look, I gotta be careful. I can't even, you know, do a 0 to 60 test type. Crazy out here, super crazy. Yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know. He paid about 32, I believe, 32,000, 100-something thousand miles for a 2009. Before y'all get in the comments and getting y'all feelings and say he got beat in the head, he didn't. Cars are way more expensive out here in the DR. And let's just say, you know, out there in the US, you modify a vehicle to this caliber and you lose money. Out here, you actually gain. That's kind of how it goes. You know what I'm saying? It all depends on how reliable the car is too. You know, a lot of stuff will take into play, but that's usually how it goes. Modified cars, as well as this one are a bit more expensive. It ran about 32. I should do a little separate video on that and let y'all know, get into more detail. But drives great, enjoying it, enjoying my staycation out here too. Definitely a trip. Call language. Stay tuned. More content coming soon. One of many. Got a lot more content coming to the channel. We still got a bunch more cars before we leave. That's a surprise. I don't know what's coming up first. I'm gonna just, you know, play it by ear and just start uploading. You know what I mean? I might upload this video now just to let y'all know I'm still active. And shout out to my subscribers too, man. Definitely gaining subscribers, a lot of views. Follow me on TikTok. That's car language on TikTok. On Instagram is car_language_easy. Y'all already know. Peace and love. Stay safe out there. Take a vacation, man. You gotta take a vacation. I don't know what everybody's situation is like, but we need that. We need to treat ourselves. Don't cheat yourself. Definitely need that. You know, go take care of your teeth. Take care of everything you need to better yourself. It makes you feel better. You know what I'm saying? So invest in yourself. I started to work out, but I came out here, that went out the window because I eat a lot. I haven't been drinking that much. Good thing. I'm kind of navigating away from the alcohol, but we've been having a great time. Shout out to Woogie. Shout out to Coretta. Hookah Kicks. Y'all already know, go follow Hookah Kicks if y'all want to see a lot more video, a lot more content on the DR. He's been constantly working. He got a video that's doing great right now. He actually is out in the river showing y'all how our culture get down. I heard there's a lot of Venezuelans out here too, so I definitely want to come back. When I come back, I'm gonna do a, more of a how my trip is going type. We got a little sidetrack with, stuff happens with family. We got a lot going on. I'll save that for, for when we get, more viewers. I'll let y'all know what's been going on in my personal life as far as, the people around me in my circle. Nothing bad. It's just, people going through it. People definitely going through it. And people, close to me. So it's just, bear with me. Stay tuned. More content coming soon. Any questions, y'all comment down below. Stay safe out there. One love. Call language.